Graham fam, it's time to unite. I'm here with another Dairy Queen Blizzard on this episode of Graham on the Run. Today I have the Reese's Pieces cookie dough blizzard. I decided to go ahead and get it. I already went through the drive-thru, and that's what it looks like. I'll tell you what I think. Let's do it. You know, I love Reese's Pieces anyway. But mixed it with ice cream and cookie dough puts it at a whole other level. I mean, it's Dairy Queen ice cream, for crying out loud. It hasn't changed and hasn't changed at all, as far as I'm aware. Dairy Queen Reese's Pieces cookie dough blizzard. I give it a solid 5 out of 5. I will get it again. This is part of the fall lineup, so I would get it here soon before it goes away. But yeah, I'll see you on the next episode of Graham on the Run.